So this is the base of an old office chair, and as you can see, the hole is worn out, the wheel doesn't stay in its place, it keeps falling out. So guess how I'm going to fix it? Yes, that's right, hot glue. So the gun is already warmed up, and I will just dump it into the hole, then put in the wheel, and hopefully this will stick inside and won't come out. This has a fairly good chance of success, as the glue can grab a hold of this, hopefully, and it won't come out again. So let's see. Glue, 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 more glue. Yes, more glue, like that. Yes, and now put it in. Ah! It hardened! Oh no! Crap! This sucks. Oh boy, bad idea. Too much glue. But at least I got it out. Hopefully. Oh boy, this was stupid. So I have to try another way. Just clean it out a bit. It's clean. Nope. Something is still there. Fuck. Fuck. So let me try to reason with it again. Clean it some more. Maybe. So somehow the glue has to go to the side, not on the bottom of the hole. That's the main problem here. It went to the bottom and hardened. Hmm. It's mostly out. Let me get some compressed air. Okay. Did that fix anything? There's more. Yes, there's more. Crap. Oh boy. How do I get it out? Oh, now it will come out. Finally. I think. This is stupid. Really, really stupid. But how could I do it better? That's a good question. Almost done. Almost. Here's a big piece. Okay, that was the problem. There's a huge side hole. And it got filled. Come out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Today. Okay. It's mostly gone. So, how can I approach this problem? Maybe drill a hole and inject the stuff from the other side. Huh. Or just put it on the side here, like that. Well, let's try this. That went in too quickly, too easily. So, did it stick? It seems it sticked. Interesting. That's awesome. At least it won't come out. It won't be very strong, but it will hold. It will hold. So yeah, I can pull it and nothing happens. Awesome. Mission accomplished.